Bendiza kubuza kodwa ngase uphendulile uba ngeyiphi into eyakhe yathetheka nawe engeyonyana ofuna ukuyi-clarify.
There are so many things that will always be said by me. Someone said, if no one is talking about you, I will not impact. That when I heard that, it healed me. Uba uthethwa akuxoxa ngawe, I will not impact. So, but also I've come to realize that there is no clarifying your name now. Because if you're trying to clarify, you are actually giving those people more to talk or more to say. And when you are giving them that more to say, more to talk, you find yourself not progressing in doing.
Sometimes abantu xa begqibile ngawe, doesn't matter what you say.
What you say, they have decided, and I've come to realize that some people will hate you. Then I know about other people will hate you, and sometimes those that really hate you will not be forward. They will be far back and sending these ones that are vocal. And these are vocal about nothing.
And most of the time,
but dangerous the most.
It was if frenemies.
Yeah. Those are the most dangerous people. So the best way is not to justify yourself, not to prove a point. I'm a person. I made many mistakes to be where I am. In some I regret, and some I've learned terrible, very good messages from those mistakes. I've learned that. Because only fresh to wash us from all our sins, and we can continue to run the race which then irregardless was as a and Titoyena is forever on our side to push us forward with purpose like your movement. Those are things I've learned, and sometimes as Yezindo was a funda over when so you will never appreciate darkness until you the light, until you have seen darkness. So sometimes as Yezindo you can cry and think that, hey God, this is messing up in a next level of messing up. But you know, I want to show you my grace. I'm gonna pick you up and push you forward, so that when can't say someone who always stage who extended the same grace that I extended to you. So I don't have, as I'm sitting here, anything that I can clarify to anyone, but to say truly, life has been a lesson and a journey, and the food is in the way, you know.
Someone can understand, but I'm thankful. Sometimes in the zibhlungu ezisahlelayo ubuhlungu bazo uThixo uzosibonisa yena, because you can never really appreciate the day if you have never been in the night. I wish someone knows how to live. One of the reasons you appreciate, we appreciate our prosperity. Uke wahlupheka. Ukuhlupheka Pastor Push kunendlela okukwenza uthi uphuma kwakho ubona amandla kaThixo akwazi uhlangula umuntu. See, the reason why ndibulela nangemeko umuntu anongabuleli ngayo kungenxa ba number 1 ndiyayazi le meko ayizohlala injena. Number 2 ndiyayazi le meko okundiza kufunda ngayo anokufundiswa euniversity. Kukhona situations that are designed to teach us things that no man can teach you. Kukimeko uThixo sivumelayo majara zize kuwe le meko nje ize kuwe makasibu uThixo mama ubhuti iplan yakhe is I want you to learn something ongenoyifundiswa ngonyunye umuntu. Ndifuna ukubonisa lenye icala lam njengoThixo ekungekho umuntu explainer kuwe. Once uyazi lento umbulela sezibotyoka, umbulela sezidilika, because once uyazi lento uyayazi azibotyokanga behind his back, zibotyoke phambi kwakhe, zibotyoke zijongile. Uyibonile xesha isenzeka wayiyeka yenzeka ngoba uyibonile into ezawuba yiyo ugqitha kwakho kuyo. Thank God.